going to add some command list commands to Troller. So here I find the category of assignment, which is roughly, I'm not sure. It's, for now, it's 400 through 500. It's going to be all my assignments. I'm probably going to have to shift that because it's getting large quickly. But anyway, now that I've cut space, I'm going to create an enum for UDV assign desktop size. What this is going to do is ultimately be a function that will get the desktop size and return it to UDVs so that a command list can use those values. Assign desktop size. This is the label now. So now I have an enum and I have a label for that enum. And then again, I'm going to search for this so that I can place it in roughly the correct spot. This is assign window. I'm going to go right below here. Condition. Yeah, this is right. So I'm going to cut this out. Say desktop size. This is enums for the parameter. And unfortunately, I just lost my enum. And I always forget exactly what they're called. So I'm going to do that. Say this. Okay, desktop size has to return the amount of monitors and a width and a height. So there's going to be three values that it's going to return. I'm going to say UDV return and I'm going to say num monitors. Okay, so that's our first value, and it has to be assigned to the begin random because there's data that aren't so random. I don't know, I forget. So once I have that, I start making more. Like I said, there's 3, so I have monitor, then I have width, and I will have height. I can't think of anything else this needs. It looks like it only needs 3. And here, I'm going to give these things names. The parameters, like I have an enum to know what they are from inside the computer, and I need a way of telling the user what they're selecting. And that works off the base command, and then I just need UDV here, UDV number of windows don't know how much I can fit there. I'm gonna try. Alright, and it has a type of UDV return. That looks okay. UDV width of desktop. And height. Okay, so now I think those might be entered into what? The Windows automation tool. Yeah, basically looks good. And I will demonstrate that they are there, if they're there. Just click a new command list here, say insert, drag. Here it is, assign desktop size, and here's the parameters. That is too big, so I'll try to think of something. I'm gonna get rid of return, maybe. Oh jeez, that's gotta do something about that. There's no way to cancel once you say that. Okay, so returned was maybe too big of a string. Let's just get rid of that. And then, to actually make this work, I'm just going to take all these datas and look for the run commands. What is this? Okay, I'm going to go up here and find the command to search for. Something that was already there. Win process. There we go. So I'll just put this right below here. Shoot. Alright. What do I got? I got case, desktop size. So when it gets that command, it's going to come in here. And I have to think about what function I'm using. I'm using this function. Just going to take a look at that. It's not really helping. Oh, because this is running. Alright. Looks like I just called this. So, and it's going to return an array, I guess. So I'm going to say A equals desktop dimensions. Then for some error handling, I'm going to say if A, no, if, yeah, I don't know, if is array, if is array A, then and if I'm going to get my value sets, UDB value set function. I'm going to look in here and find whatever I need. So I'm going to take this and put that there. I think that's it. That might be all I have to do. No, I have to say A. the value I'm putting in is going to be A, and I think it's actually 0. I'm just going to copy this stuff so I have it done. Width, height, and I'm not sure of the parameters. Okay. Zero is monitors. Huh. Okay, with the virtual screen. That's interesting. Alright. Let's just make sure it can do everything if it needs to. It might be slightly slower that way, but I'm not going to bite myself later and say I'm missing something. So I'll just put it in there. Geez. It's fine. Virtual, UDV. Thinking. Alright. Virtual width. I'm such an awful speller. Virtual height. Alright, I think those will work, and then I'll just add no, I'm screwing up. That's fine. Let's grab these enums. And put these to the right array. No, what's happening? Okay, that's pretty blatant error. Gotta love when they're easy. Okay, we're gonna test this command list. We're gonna test this command. We're gonna say assign desktop. We're gonna pick some variables: LV1, LV2, LV3, you know, whatever. 4. Alright, let's do that. So basically, it's going to put all those values into there. Then afterward, I'm going to say when computer voice. And I'm going to say desktop space. No, I'm going to say monitors space. I'm gonna go LV1. I'll go space. Ooh, no, yeah, space. And then, desktop width. And desktop height. Now, I could copy this and fill that out correctly, but I'm not going to. Just gonna delete it. Oh, no, yeah. And see what happens when I hit play.
Monitoring 1 desktop width 1920 desktop height 1080.
Alright, it found my desktop height. Apparently, I only have the one monitor being used, and that sounds like it works. Thank you for watching this video.